Most people think cybersecurity is hard. They think you need to be smart, technical, or good at computers. But that's not the real reason they're stuck. The real reason is something nobody tells them. A lot of people want to learn cybersecurity. They watch videos, they read posts, they get motivated for a few hours. Then they stop. Not because they are not capable, but because they feel overwhelmed. They see terms they don't understand. They see people talking about hacking tools, coding, networks, and suddenly it feels like cybersecurity is too advanced. But here's the truth most beginners don't realize. Cybersecurity is not hard at the beginning. It only feels hard because of confusion, not complexity.
The problem is not your intelligence. The problem is your approach. Most beginners try to learn everything at once. They jump into random videos, hacking tutorials, networking explanations, coding lessons, tools, and software. And instead of learning, they get lost because there is no structure. Now, imagine trying to build a house without a foundation. That's exactly what most beginners do in cybersecurity. They try to build from the top instead of the base. But real learning doesn't work that way.
Every successful person in cybersecurity started with something very simple. Mindset. Before tools, before coding, before systems. They first had to believe they could actually learn it. Because if you think something is too hard, you will stop before you even start. And that is what happens to most people. They quit mentally before they quit physically. Now, let's be clear. You do not need a tech background, advanced math, coding experience, expensive equipment to start learning cybersecurity. What you need is a clear direction and consistency. For example, instead of trying to learn everything at once, you start small. You learn what cybersecurity actually means. You understand basic concepts. You build simple habits like learning 20-30 minutes a day. That alone puts you ahead of most beginners who never even start. Another major issue is overwhelm. When people see too much information, they assume they need to learn everything immediately.
But learning doesn't work under pressure. You don't become skilled in a day. You build understanding step by step. Slow progress is still progress. Another important part is motivation. Many people rely on motivation to learn, but motivation is unstable. Some days you feel it, some days you don't. That's why consistency matters more than motivation. Even small daily effort builds real skill over time. Now, here's something most people don't talk about. Many beginners compare themselves to professionals. They see experts online and feel like they are too far behind. But those experts were once beginners too. The only difference is they stayed long enough to improve. Cybersecurity is not a talent-based field. It is a learning-based field. Anyone can start if they follow the right path. That's exactly why I created a simple guide called From Zero Tech Knowledge to Cybersecurity. It is designed for absolute beginners who feel confused or overwhelmed. Inside, I break everything down in a very simple way. How to remove the fear of technology, how real people successfully enter cybersecurity, how to learn without feeling overwhelmed, how to build simple daily habits, and how to stay consistent even when motivation drops. If you've been thinking about starting cybersecurity but don't know how, this is where you begin. Check the link in my bio. At the end of the day, you don't need to be a genius to start cybersecurity. You just need to start correctly. Because the biggest barrier is not knowledge, it's mindset. And once you fix that, everything else becomes easier.